Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Mandy and I like to talk about makeup and makeup panning and all things in my real life. And if that's something you're interested in, then hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for today's video. Hello and welcome. I have an update today for my I Love My Makeup project. This is a project I created and it is open to anybody who would like to join. It is 3 products that you use for 10 uses and that's it. Any pace you want, no pressure, no deadlines. It's rolling style. Just to give love to new makeup that hasn't had love, or old makeup that hasn't, just to share love with your makeup that maybe hasn't seen any love lately. So, yes, I started this project for myself, and then I have been joined by Unapologetically Shelly, who will be linked in the description box below. And if you want to join this project, you are more than welcome. Just let Shelly or I know, and we will, use the hashtag lovemymakeupproject, and you can be on that playlist, and we would love to have you join us. Easy peasy, no pressure. Great way to get into panning if you've never done it before. Just usage just usages. At the time that you are watching this, I am in the woods camping with 1,200 of my closest acquaintances. It is part of a regional Burning Man event that I have helped coordinate, to a small part. But I will be out in the woods not wearing any makeup. So if I don't respond to any of your comments, that's why, because there's no Wi-Fi, there's no cell signal, it's just people, music, woods, food, all the things. Anyway, if you want to hear more about this project, let me just get started with it and tell you what's going on. So I started the project with 3 items, one for my eyes, my face, my cheeks, and my lips. I'm continuing that trend. I last update rolled out an eyeshadow and brought in a new one, and that eyeshadow I brought in is from my Rimmel Magnifies Electric Violet, and we randomly just rolled a roulette and got this 9th shade here, which is a dark bluey purple, and I have used it 4 times. No, wrong item. I've used it twice this month. I am wearing it today. It is in the outer corner or outer half of my lid look, along with the 6th shade, which is right here on the inner half of my lid, and that's in another project. That's in my This Is Fantasy project. Sorry. Next up was for my cheeks. I had my Essence blush previously, and then last month I rolled in my, it looks different, my blush from the Balm in their Will Powder line in the shade Perseverance, and it is this guy right here. Yeah, that's okay. I took it out of the little sample packaging, cardboard packaging that it came with, and I had this magnetic case from Mark, part of the Avon line, and I put it in here, and this is also a Balm blush in It's a Date, which is in another project, but this is Will Powder here, or Perseverance, sorry. Here I am wearing it today. It is a very intense golden, shimmery, bronzy blush. I've worn it 4 times so far. It's actually, I think, the only blush I have in a project right now. I don't think the other one is in a project anymore. I think I got my uses out of it. So that's what I was working on. And then lastly, in the last update, I was working on my Maybelline Lifter Gloss in gold. I believe this is part of their bronzed collection because it is a very bronzy gold. I had 4 uses left and I used them, so I met my 10 use goal on that, which means I'm bringing in a new lip product. So this was new to my collection and I've decided to go with something old to replace it, and I am bringing in, I don't even know what this is called, Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color. It is this guy here and it is in the shade Infatuation. I will give you a swatch of it. This is something my daughter gave me. We were at a Comic-Con and I was dressed kind of vampy. And she gave me this liquid lipstick. It is very dark blackened red. It does dry down, and yeah, I didn't really like it when she first gave it to me. It has like a fruity, almost grape smell to it. But it's the oldest lip product that I have, that I'm aware of. And I want to get some use out of it because it has been sitting around for a while, but this is something my daughter gave me, and I enjoy this color. I'm just not sure about the formula because liquid lipstick is not one of my favorite things, but we'll see. I think I'm getting used to letting it dry down and then maybe putting a gloss, tapping a gloss on top of it. So that is what we're bringing in for 10 uses. So now I am working on this liquid lipstick, the purple shadow, and the Will Powder blush in Perseverance. That is what I'm working on. Like I said, if you want to join this project, you are more than welcome to. It's 3 products, set 10 use goals, and work at your own pace. No pressure, no end dates. And yeah, if you want to join, let Shelly or I know. And yeah, that's it. Hopefully when I get back, I'll be less frazzled. And until then, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.